Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when new videos come out.
Hello everyone, Assalam U Alikum. Welcome to our channel. I'm back with an exciting video. Today I'm planning to do Karahi chicken. It's very famous around the world, especially back home. Every corner, every street you'll see the restaurant, they are making outside Karahi chicken. So I'm making at home. Especially Ramadan time, you'll go for a sahur or iftar. You see the lots of people enjoying in the evening Karahi chicken. So I'm gonna do it at home today. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for Karahi chicken, I have 1 kg chicken thigh. So I like to use thigh. I don't like breast. I have very flavor is not so favorable for me. So I'm using a thigh only. So I cut into small pieces. And also I'm using tomato, 3 tomatoes. I cut into half. A cup of yogurt already blend, and some green chili, coriander, and I have onion paste also. I just have fresh 1 onion, I just make it blended, and 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, or I dissolve in the water a little bit. For the spices, I'm using a crushed chili flakes, salt, turmeric, cumin, and coriander, all powder. It's pretty easy to make at home, and also very quick, very easy Karahi. So please try this one, and you will be enjoying this recipe. For the Karahi chicken, I'm using a 1.5 cup oil because you need lots of oil for this recipe. And I'm adding a chicken first to the oil. Make sure the oil is hot. So Karahi chicken, we're gonna saute a little bit of our chicken for a few seconds. And then we're gonna add our garlic paste water. So first I'm adding ginger garlic water. Onion paste. And tomatoes. We're gonna cook them nicely. So make sure you cook this recipe in high heat, otherwise your chicken gonna be overcooked. So use high heat. And people make different way this recipe, but I like this one. It's very quick and easy and simple, and very tasty also. So I'm gonna cover it, let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a high heat. So we're gonna open and have a look. Wow, it smells very good. So our chicken is almost cooked. We're gonna remove all the skin of the tomatoes. I'm gonna add salt to taste. It's up to you how much salty you like. Cumin, 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric. 2 teaspoons of crushed chili. Gonna add some green chili powder also, give a little color to. One teaspoon of chili powder. I'm gonna mix everything. I'm gonna let it cook on high heat. I still cooking everything on high heat. So chicken almost cooked. We're gonna cook for at least 10 minutes more. We're gonna cover it and let it cook. So our fried chicken is nicely fried. You can see the oil is coming up now. So I'm gonna finish it off. The chicken is completely cooked. So we're gonna, last step, we're gonna add some yogurt. I have like a cup of yogurt. Nicely blend. We're gonna add some. We're gonna mix all the yogurt first. We're gonna add some pinch of kasturi methi and some green chili, fresh green chili. Coriander. We're gonna let it cook until the yogurt is nicely mixed, and then we're gonna come back and finish it off with some garam masala on the top. So I have some garam masala I wanna put on the top, and that's it. Our Karahi chicken is ready. Look amazing. I want to dish out this fried chicken. So our fried chicken is ready. Yogurt is almost mixed everything. Chicken is cooked. So I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of ghee. So I'm going to add a couple of spoons of ghee just to give a little shine, little color, little flavor. So it look amazing. So our fried chicken is ready. So I'm gonna dish out. So our amazing Karahi chicken is ready to serve. So we're gonna garnish a little bit. So I'm gonna garnish with some ginger. I have a julienne of ginger, green chili, and some chopped fresh coriander. And ready to serve. Look amazing. And also touch of some garam masala. Some people like it, some people don't. That's it. Our fried chicken is ready. Look amazing, tasty. Wow. So I'm sure you guys enjoyed this video. It looked very nice, very tasty. Especially Ramadan time, I'd like to make this kind of dishes dry, nice, and healthy, and full of energy. So please do try this recipe, and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.